Right. Well, this is a little different, isn't it, guys? You may have noticed this. Now rocking a GoPro on the chin mount. Excuse me, I'm getting over a cold. And this is, oh fuck yous all. This is my first test on the bike. Seeing how it goes. Don't you back out. And my first test just happens to be a wet weather test. Lucky me. But just going to go give my bike a wash. Ooh, look out. That was a little sketchy just there. Better remember there's something here now. $4 for something I could have done at home for free. Price we pay for being lazy. I can't see shit. Change sides, I guess you could say. I'm gone from the drift. I'll still keep the drifts, take them with me on rides and stuff. And if this one's battery dies, I can just swap over to the drift easy enough. Oy, look out. I have not done much wet weather riding. That, and I've had a little play with the rear suspension and I've stiffened it up, and I think I went a little too far. So I've sort of lost the confidence I had in riding. Fuck, Jesus. I guess you could say. Yeah, I might go one notch back on the preload. I went 2 notches harder. But I don't know, I feel like, because you can't adjust the front in standard form, I feel like they're too different. The front's too soft and the rear's too hard now. If that makes sense. Anyway, yeah, as for the camera change, I guess basically I got up this morning and said, I'm going to go get a GoPro. And so I did. The only real reason I went for GoPro was this view. I was quite liking that on other people's vlogs. Hopefully I've got the angle set up right. We'll find out, won't we? Anyway guys, hopefully this works out. Hopefully it looks good. And yeah, I'll catch you later.